This was one hotel that advertised correctly. The Wyndham French Quarter is literally in the French Quarter. I'm the NYC Traveler, and we're in Louisiana. This hotel is on Royal Street, one block over from Bourbon Street, which is considered the famous street of the French Quarter in New Orleans. Because you are so close to the French Quarter, be prepared to show your room key, your card, when you enter the hotel so that you can access the building. The most curious thing about this hotel was the actual building itself. The elevator only went to the 18th floor, then you would get off and you would catch another elevator for the top floors above the 18th floor. If you had to remember the two elevator system the entire time that you were there. Enjoy the tour.